with O, given a semicircle, this is our next question, given a semicircle with O as the center, as shown in the diagram, the ratio AC bar plus CB bar divided by AB bar is where AC bar, CB bar, AB bar are the chords. Chords means they are joining 2 points on a circle or semicircle. Chords means any line joining 2 points on a circle or semicircle, that is called chords. And AC bar, this is AC bar, CB bar and AB bar, these are chords with respect to the circle or semicircle we can consider. And if you see here what they have given, O is the center of the circle, semicircle. O is the center of the semicircle. So here I can take AO is the radius of the semicircle, OB also radius of the semicircle, OC also radius of the semicircle, OC also radius of the semicircle. Left side I have first triangle, right side I have second triangle. So in first triangle, if I consider AC, what is the length of AC? It is nothing but square root of AO square plus OC square, which is nothing but square root of R square plus R square, which is square root of 2 times R square, which is R into square root 2. This is the value of AC line chord. Okay. Similarly, in second triangle, I will calculate what is the length of BC. What is the length of BC or CB? It is nothing but square root of BO square plus OC square. I am calculating BC, and this is radius and this also radius, square root of 2 times R square, which is R into square root 2, which is the value of BC. R into square root 2, which is the value of BC. Okay. Now already we know that AB is nothing but AO plus OB, which is 2 times R, in the diagram. 2 times R in the diagram. Okay. So what is asked? AC bar plus CB bar divided by AB bar. What is this ratio? So AC bar we are getting here R into root 2 plus CB bar or BC bar we are getting here R into root 2 divided by AB bar we are getting the value 2 times R. Okay. And here numerator is 2 times R into root 2 divided by 2R. 2R gets cancelled. So root 2 is the ratio. That is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay. Step 1 we have calculated on the right side. Step 1 I have gone on the right side. I am calculating the sides. And step 2 what I have done, I have taken the ratio, substituted everything over here. Okay. So this is also one of the question from GATE 2020 triple paper. It is asked, aptitude section it is asked. Now the last problem in linear equations. The area of an equilateral triangle is root 3. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Okay. So equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, area is root 3. Okay. So if you take the center like this is H, and this is side A, side B and side C for the equilateral triangle. Okay. If you want, you can also give names as A, B, C for the vertices. Let the center be O. Okay. Now it is given area of equilateral triangle. Area is nothing but half into base into height. Area is already given root 3 and it is half into base into height. Okay. And now if I take how to calculate H.
Ma'am, we can use direct formula, ma'am.
Perimeter, but we don't know the values, no, ABC values.
Equilateral triangle area is root 3 by 4 A square, right, ma'am?
Root 3 by 4 A square?
That's it, ma'am. That's the formula, A square.
A square. But anyway, we need the value of any one side because all the 3 sides are equal. all the three sides are equal, A, B, C, all the three sides are equal, at least one value we should know, only then we can put it in this equation number 2. Equation 1 I am taking for area of the equilateral triangle.
Ma'am, sorry,
Equation,
sorry. That's the area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, ma'am.
that is okay, but in
Equals
the
to root
option,
3. If we equals to root 3, we will get the value of a, and perimeter is 3 mm.
what is A value? Tell me what is the final answer. A, B, C, D
6,
options are
ma'am.
there. A
Final
value,
answer is C.
here root 3 equal to half into base into height. Okay, next what you are suggesting?
No, ma'am, I'm not suggesting that formula. The area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, ma'am. So root 3 by 4 a square equals to root 3.
Given is A. Oh, this is not perimeter. You told area.
Yeah, ma'am.
This formula is applicable for any triangle. Half into base into height. It is applicable for any triangle. So particularly equilateral triangle means you can also take root 3 by 4 a square.
Yeah, ma'am.
Area of equilateral triangle. Now, this is already given in the question, root 3 divided by, this is the value. And if you cancel this root 3, a square is nothing but 4, a value is 2. As I said, a value, b value, c value all are same. This is equal to 2, and the perimeter means it is sum of the entire thing, if you start from B, you have to travel to A, then to C, then to B. This outer region length is nothing but perimeter. So you can also do like this. It is 6. This I am taking as method 1. This I am taking as method 1. This is one method how you can proceed. One method you can proceed. In second method, this is the general formula for area of triangle. This is the general formula for area of triangle. So what you have to do is, this is first method completed. Second method, you can write h in terms of b. If you can write h in terms of b, because all these sides are equal, this can be considered as b, this can also be considered as b. And if you find h, so h is nothing but square root of b square plus b by 2 whole square. This is b by 2 and this is b by 2. So I am finding h value. So this becomes square root of b square plus 1 by 4 b square, h value. If you make square of this, b square plus 1 by 4 b square, okay, and then this be equation number, you substitute this in equation number 1. If you substitute this h value in equation number 1, you will get b value, and then what I told, a equal to b equal to c. Then again perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three sides, a plus b plus c. Okay, in that case also you will be getting the same answer. So here what I can decide is 5 by 4, h value is nothing but square root, sorry, what I have written here, h is side and b is the hypotenuse. So how to calculate h is, I will take this as triangle 1. In triangle 1, what I can do, b is the hypotenuse. So b square equal to square root of h square plus b by 2 whole square. So if I, b value, hypotenuse value is nothing but square root of, h square plus b by 2 whole square. This I am doing in triangle 1. And if you make square on both sides, this become b square by 4. Now h square is b square minus b square by 4. So h is nothing but square root of 3 by 4 b square, which is b into square root 3 by 2. This is h value. Now putting it in equation 1. Use it in equation 1. Area is nothing but root 3 half into base into height value b into root 3 by 2. From this b value you can calculate root 3 gets cancelled, b value is 2, and we know that a, b, c they are equal, and now already b value we have calculated. This also comes as 6. This is another method. Okay, if you remember the equation for area of equilateral triangle, okay, you can proceed with this equation, and it is much easier. Otherwise, this the equation 1 is general formula for area of any triangle. So in that method also you can proceed and find out the answer. In both the cases it comes as 6. The answer is 6, as it is very clear. Option C is the correct answer.